Welcome to another episode of Slave Sermons.
And I'll tell you this, if you let Jesus come into your house, before he leaves, it'll all be right. If I am poor and blind and wretched and naked, turn away from your own self-sufficiency. Too many of us think that we're going to make it to heaven on what we've got. They believe that if they think positively, if they get better from day to day, that somehow, miraculously, they'll be prepared to go to heaven based on what they have done. Self-sufficiency will never work. Jesus has the only life that can get you there. But then Jesus broke every stereotype and came walking down your street one day and came to your door and knocked and said, "May I come in?" He knows where you are.
He sees you when you're sleeping.
If you live on the street, if you live under a cardboard box that's put on top of a grate so that heat comes up and keeps you from freezing, he knows where your box is. And he'll knock until you let him in. And by the time he leaves, you'll have gold, you'll have garments, you'll have eyesight, you'll have everything it takes to have eternal life. And all you've got to do is let him in.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Slave Sermons.